Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to discuss 5 learning materials that I use for HTML and CSS. Let's get right into it. The first website I want to talk about in today's video is W3 Schools. Now, right on the homepage, there's a Learn HTML button that takes you to an HTML homepage when you click on it. Now, on the left side, there are various HTML topics that you can click on to learn more about HTML. The next site I want to talk about is Tutorials Point. It's just like W3 Schools. There's a lot of information on the various topics under HTML and CSS as well. Now, this is the Mozilla Developer Network. When you search for it, there's this link that takes you directly to the HTML section of the website. And there are various topics, introduction to HTML. You'll be able to expand these. There's HTML elements. There's a lot on the various topics under HTML. And the fourth site is Geeks for Geeks. Now, Geeks for Geeks, what you have to do is when you get to the homepage, you click on the web development link at the top, and there are various technologies under web development. Now, what you need is HTML and CSS. So you just click on HTML, and the various topics are arranged on the left side for you. And when you click on it, you can get information. So there's endless possibilities to learn HTML and CSS. Now, the last but not the least is Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow works in a way that when you're faced with a problem, you just post it and people might help you out. But you can also get information from people's problems. People might have gone through similar problems as you, and you can find a solution to your problem. So what I've done is I've searched for how to vertically center a div, and there's already a link here, meaning someone has posted. Now, this is a person's problem, and when you scroll down a bit, the answers are there. Normally, the best answers have the most votes, but you'd want to scroll down a bit, get various opinions, and learn more. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about HTML elements.